Welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about some Tyre auto deflators I have. As you can see here, there's 4 of them, and they're from Allstop, and I bought them on Amazon. They're about $40 each, and a lot of the Tyre deflators, you just lets air out. You gotta do one tire at a time. It's just, kind of a pain in the butt. So these ones, you can actually turn. I'm not sure if you can make that out, but you can, it's by PSI on that side, or bar, depending on what you're looking for, but US PSI. So yeah, you just roll this little knob, lock nut, and I'm not sure if you can see, hopefully, but you got 40, 30, 20 PSI, and you turn this to the desired PSI there, and you just lock it down. And then take the valve stems off your car, and I'm lowering you guys down so you can see. And just put them on here. And there you go. Pretty noisy, but it's letting the air out to your desired PSI. And again, we'll go to another tire here. They just kind of flutter back and forth, and they'll stop when you get to your desired PSI. Now we'll see how good these ones are. This is a product review, but again, not being paid by them. They're not telling me what to say or do. No kickbacks of any sort. Just something I thought, hopefully these work great, and if they do, I'll let you guys know about them. If not, they'll get returned. So they're doing their job. So I set the PSI to 20 on the Allstop Tyre deflators, and my car is saying that we're down to 24, 26, and I thought I had those roughly at 20. So evidently not very accurate. So these might be going back. Yeah, these don't seem to be working out too well. The Allstop 4x4 accessories, want them to work. They're locking and adjustable, but they're 5 PSI off. So definitely no good. Wasn't paid by them, because if I was, they wouldn't want to hear these comments. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys like this kind of thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay notified of future events and product reviews. So hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.